This is a great use of scrap. You save every bit. I like to heat it till it's nice and shiny, and if it doesn't get nice and shiny on that first pass, then I like to go back over it until I see the surface kind of just rotate around the ball. Once I know it has that chrome look, I know that it's good and hot all the way to the core, and that it's made a nice symmetrical sphere. That was several little tiny scrap pieces together, and they drew up and attached themselves. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to let those cool, get my little basket. I'm going to put them in my little basket and quench them. And we do not need to pickle them because we didn't put flux on them. But now they're ready to design with.